how to create a bus operating system. I already recorded 2 videos and it is the third, and we will use x86 assembly language, also C, C++ and other features, OpenGL, to make some of the beautifulness and appearance, and we will talk about it. And we will cross right now this street and we will talk. We have some people, it's the night time, and actually I'm going to my home. It is the midnight already. And okay, operating system, what is it? It has kernel, it has some registers like AX, BX, CXDX, EXEB, XEC, XEDX and others, and they are used for different purposes, and to have the registers, to have the people around, and I'm going home. ESI, I also have EDI and EBP, ESP and others who have, and we are using them. And one moment again, people, it is kind of need to figure out where to go, and we are going home, yes, because I see people in front of me, and so everything is fine. Everything is good, and we are here. Everything is fine, everything is good. Nobody's behind, and actually we are watching everything. Yes, we are going faster, so everything is fine. And we have AX, RAX, RBX, RCX, RDX, and also we have the walking abilities, and we have the kernel, for example, of Linux, and we have the kernel of the operating system. We have also boot, we have the connection of the hard drive. We need to configure it, and we need to do configuration, and also we have the memory, and we need to connect all the things together. We have the registers that are doing some specific tasks. Actually, inside of the computers we have zeros and ones. It is machine code that we have. Actually, this video, it is not super mega tutorial. It is actually right now figuring out how to do this, okay? And so okay, and also let's do some of the enumerating of the tools that we have. We have JavaScript, Kotlin, Swift, UI, PHP, R, and also HTML, CSS, and we have C, C++, C Sharp, C Objective, Objective-C, and also Pascal and Turbo Pascal and Fortran and other features. And also we are working here, and we have the people who have the different structures, and we have struct, void, and also integer, float, double, and other types of the software. We have other types of data structures. We have the data types, and we have the data segment. We have the code segment. We have the stack segment, and we have the GPU, CPU, graphic processing unit, and central processing unit, and we have the bus that we are creating. It is the parallelepiped with the parallelepiped is the whole body of it. It is the main structure, the main shape, and also we have the cylinders. They are our wheels, and we have the rubber, we have the material, we have the gluon, fermion, and also gluons, fermions, and also we have the people. And we need to walk faster, and need to check my keys. My keys are with me, it is good. And so my phone will be right now in my pocket. Kind of that right now. And we are going. so soon I will be home. I need to stop video. And okay, some air conditioning. It is the starting point of them, starting point of working. So we are creating it. We have done some connections with the RAX, RBX, RCX, RDX in our memory, and also have random access memory. And we have the operating system, we have the bus drivers, we have the x86 assembly language C, C++, and also we have some MOV and JMP, and also we have HTML language for the next work. It is like diff and TF, TF and others. Also body HTML, doc type HTML and other features. And also we have CSS with borders, with buttons, with color RGB, RGBA, HSL, HSB and other features. We are creating it. It's amazing. And so soon I will be home, so I'm stopping in my video. Thank you a lot for watching this video. Universal Day, go forward. You're a nice girl, oh boy. Compile, C++, compile, courage, compile, power, courage, energy, C++ compile, create an operating system, bus operating system. So thank you, see you next time. OpenGL, CSS, C, great.